Hey, big guy. This is Snowstorm's first snowstorm. Come here. Good boy. Come here. Come here. So pretty. Our first snowfall of the year. That's worth a flip. Snowy. Good boy. Snowy. Go do your business, big guy. Come on. Yeah. All right, down, down, down. Go do your business. Go do your business. First snowstorm. Looking at about an inch of snow on the ground. Not a lot, but, you know, enough to be pretty. It's a nice wet snow. Snowy definitely doesn't know what to do with it. He's licking the snow. Because him's a little ham. Well, Snow,